Hi sweeties, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me on my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and you subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this pretty Fulani crochet braid, so keep watching and enjoy the video. So I've already washed my hair a night before. I'm just going to try to spray it a bit, make it be hydrated and softer. I'm using this Elan hair oil. It's coconut oil and olive oil. Massage that into my scalp and it smells so nice. So I'm going to be doing a Fulani braid, but this time I'm going to be using crochet extension to just do it. So I'm going to part my hair into two, this front and the back. I'm going to braid this area, then do the crochets for the rest of my hair. I'm just going to section the back and then pack it into a bun. So I want a side part. I'm going to just part it into a side. So I'll just keep on braiding all my hair till I'm done with this part that I sectioned out. I'm currently doing the right part of my head, so I think it's easier than doing the left part of my head. So now that I'm done with this part of my hair, I'm going to just take out this one that I parted away, brush it out, and then feed in the braids into this part. This is my first time, so I'm not aiming for perfection. I'll just do this for everywhere. I can't see the back of my head, but I hope it looks okay. This is the last part. Let me just braid that down. This is what it looks like. I hope it looks good, guys. Does it look good? This is the crochet extension I'm going to be using. Crochet hair are really very easy to do. It's like very DIY friendly. So even if you don't know how to make your hair, you can at least know how to do your own crochets. So I'm done doing all of the crocheting now. I'm going to use my edge control to just fix my edges and make everything look very smooth. So I was basically just checking out various ways I could style my hair, and each style turned out to be really cute. I really love this crochet hair. I feel like it saves me so much time than going to the salon and then doing these braids individually. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this. Bye sweeties, see you next time.